How to use ChatGPT for websites. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use ChatGPT to build a website. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here onto ChatGPT, and we're just simply going to go ahead and ask him what type of website are popular right now, what are some of the popular niches of website. So let's go ahead and ask it. And there we go. Now it's going to go ahead and generate a couple of niches for us, some ideas, so that we can build a website around that idea. Okay, so now it's given us a bunch of different options to choose from. And number one is going to be health and wellness. So I think this one looks good. So we're going to go ahead and copy this idea, and we're going to go ahead and apply it and create a website around it. So we're going to choose this one, right? Health and wellness. So this is going to be our website topic. Now what we're going to do next is we need to get ourselves a website. And to do that, we need to get ourselves some website hosting. So Hostinger is a good platform. You can use your own research and find better platforms for yourself. Hostinger is a good platform. It provides great service. Namecheap is also really good. It has the cheapest, I would say, plans out of all the hosting providers. I have used Namecheap before, so I can say that it works really well. Hostinger is also good. There's also one other, Bluehost, I think. Yes, Bluehost is also really good. So you can choose Bluehost, Hostinger. You can even use GoDaddy as well. It depends on you. And once you've gotten it, you are good to go. And if you don't know how to get a hosting plan, you just simply come over here, claim the deal, or buy yourself a plan. You can simply click on hosting, go to web hosting. If you want, you could go ahead and click on WordPress hosting as well. It's really good. You can click over here, claim it, create a plan right here. As you can see, it's 199. You simply add it over here. Of course, there's not going to be a free domain, so you're going to want to get a free domain as well. So over here, it's going to add 999 to your value bucket as well. If you want to get a domain separately, you go ahead and search on GoDaddy and get a domain, and then create a website using Hostinger, and then connect that domain later. It all depends on you. And once you have yourself a website, I have this one already. I created it a long time ago. It's for free. And next, what you're going to do is you're going to do a couple of things. You're going to go into plugins, and you're going to add some plugins, in order to get started. And you're just simply going to click on add new. And over here, it's going to open up the plugin store, and just simply you're going to search for Elementor. This plugin right here, this is going to help you, build your website, customize it and stuff like that. And just simply click on install and wait for it to be installed, and you should be good to go. Another good element that you're going to need is going to be Yoast SEO. This one right here, this is going to help us with the SEO and stuff, help us to rank our, website. It's really good. So make sure you get these two plugins. Just simply click on install, and once it's installed, just simply click on activate to activate the plugins, and you should be good to go. And once that's done, just activate the other plugins that you have installed, such as Elementor. Just simply activate it. And in order to get access to the full Elementor experience, you're going to have to buy and create an account. So once you've done that, you should be good to go. Now, let's move on to the next step, which is going to be going back to ChatGPT and asking it to create a diet plan, right? A healthy diet plan. Okay, so unfortunately, I guess ChatGPT isn't qualified, but it did give us a general guideline, so we could use that, or we could ask it for pros and cons about other stuff, or many other things that we can ask it, like foods with low calories. Maybe we can get that. And here we go. So these are some of the foods that ChatGPT said that has low calories. So we can go ahead and use that. And we can even use, some of these general guidelines as well. So we can go ahead and copy this. Now let's go ahead and back to WordPress and create a page. We'll go ahead and click on pages. And over here, we'll create a new page. And this is the WordPress builder, but if you had gotten the plan for Elementor, then you would have been able to have a better editor. Like over here, if we click on edit with Elementor, it's going to open up right here, and we can go ahead and start creating our website. It's a simple drag and drop option, so you don't have to worry about that. First, we'll go ahead and add a heading. Go ahead and add a section like so. And now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and add a heading right here. And we'll just say how to stay healthy. There we go. Now we'll go ahead and add another section, and we'll just click over here, and we'll go back and we'll add text editor, and we'll add that. And over here, we'll just add our stuff. Now, of course, we need to go ahead and change some of these things up. We can go ahead and choose some of, there we go. It looks much better. We have changed the overall look and feel of the text. Let me just go ahead and cancel that. There we go. Now we'll add another text image. I'm sorry, we'll add another section. And over here, we'll also add a text editor. Maybe we can, before we do that, maybe we can add an image. Now here is another important part. You can use a website like this one right here, which is known as Midjourney, and you can use it to create different art. As you can see, people are using it to create beautiful looking AI images. But if you don't want to use it, or you are unable to use it, you can go ahead and choose another platform known as Lexica. So over here, Lexica is also really good. You can just simply come over here and you can just simply click on generate to generate images. If you want to search for an image that has already been generated, you can find it right here. So as you can see, we have a beautiful looking images that we can choose from. So if we want to search for an image, we can just simply click over here and we'll just type in health, and we'll just simply click on search. And over here, we have a bunch of different options to choose from. So you could choose any of these images you want. These are all artificially generated AI images, so you can go ahead and use them however you feel like it. Or if you want to generate, you can just simply come over here and simply generate an image. So I just simply searched for healthy foods and we have these images. So we can go ahead and use them. So we'll just simply download this image right here, and I'll download it and put it right here. There we go. Now we'll just simply come over here and upload our images as well. So the resolution was something like this. Let me actually generate it again. So this is another image that I downloaded right now. I generated it. So we're going to click over here onto download option, and we'll just download the image, and we're going to come over here and we're going to upload the image over here. There we go. It's uploading right now. Done. And we just simply click on the select icon, and there we go. Now, as you can see, it looks pretty nice. We can even add a image at the top if you want. It depends on you. Like, we just simply click on the section and we'll add a section right here, and we'll just simply add in the image icon. And let's say we download this image, or we'll just say along the beach. I forgot to change the resolution. Let me do that again. So like this, it looks really cool. These images actually look really good. So we're going to use this one. Actually, no. If I zoom in a little bit, the faces are a little weird. This one actually looks really cool. Face isn't weird at all, and it actually looks good as well. So we're going to download this image and we'll upload it right here. There we go. And we'll just simply click on select. We have ourselves image. Don't worry about this one. We can fix that later. And next, what we can do is we can add another section right here, and we'll add the remaining part of our text that we copied from Chatgpt. Here we go. And we'll copy this one right here, and we'll just simply paste it around like so. And next, what we can do is we can go ahead and change up how it looks or feels if you want, but I think it looks good. And yeah, after that, you just simply add other stuff if you want to. You can add other section. You can even add a video, some more text, highlight it, and you should be good to go. So this is basically how you use it. This is how you use ChatGPT and other AI tools to create a website. Then all you got to do is just simply click on save. You should be good to go. So we have a page save. We can even publish it if you want. And there we go. Now, if we go back to our dashboard, as you can see, this is the page that we just created. We'll go ahead and click on edit, and we can change up the name right here if you want to. You can go ahead and change it, or you can just simply come over here, click on quick edit, and just change the name right here. And you can change the slug name as well. Make sure the slug names are accurate and exactly the same as the one that you have added within the title. And then all you have to do is just go into Yoast SEO and do a little bit of SEOing, and you should be good to go. First time configure, you can just simply add it right here. You can do the slightest amount of SEO, and it will have a major effect on the overall performance of your website. So pretty simple. This is how you do it. This is how you use ChatGPT and other AI tools to create a website. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.